Hello and welcome. My name is George, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell custom gaming mouse pads. Now, if you're a Twitch streamer or if you're a YouTuber, you have a small audience and you want to offer your own custom gaming mouse pads, then this video is for you. You can start selling your own custom gaming mouse pads without buying inventory. And the best part about this strategy is that you can get started with as little as $14. So the way we're going to do this is that we're going to first set up a website. We're then going to integrate that website with a print-on-demand service. So whenever you're going to get a sale on your online store, that order is going to be automatically sent to print-on-demand service, and they are going to then manufacture that product and send it directly to your customer. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. Okay, so to build the website, we're going to be using Shopify.com. The first thing you need to do is you need to start your free trial. Now, once you've signed up to Shopify, the next step is to go to Apps, click Customize Your Store, and look for an app called Printful. Add the app to your store. Once you've installed the app in your Shopify store, it's going to ask you to connect your store with Printful. And for that, you will need to first create an account with Printful. So I'm just going to click sign up with your email. Once you put in your email, it's going to ask you to connect the store. Just click that button and voila, your Shopify store is now connected to Printful. All right, so now you have two things. You have the online store and you have connected it to Printful, which is going to be your print-on-demand partner. So to customize your online store, you simply go to Online Stores, Themes, and then you click Customize on this Dawn theme. If you don't like this theme and you want to change it, you can simply scroll down and click on Explore Free Themes. I'm going to leave the customization of the online store up to you so you can play around, get creative, because frankly, there is nothing complicated about it. It's like building a Lego. You just move blocks around, you add photos, change text, change the colors, and voila, you have a website that you like. All right, so assuming that you've now customized your online store, the next step is to start adding products. To add products to our Shopify store, we simply go to our Printful dashboard, we click on Stores, and here we're going to see our active Shopify store. So we just click Add Product. Here we can search mouse. And at this point, we can now actually customize our mouse pad. Simply upload your design and this is what you're going to get. You can also click Mockup View right here and you can see how this is going to look like. By the way, if you need help with your designs, you can use Fiverr.com. There are a lot of freelance artists, but I'm going to have a link down in my description for a person that I work with personally. He's a great artist and he will be able to help you with any design that you have in mind. Just use the link down in the description, sign up to Fiverr and tell him that George sent you. All right, so now you've uploaded your design, just click Proceed to Medium. At this point, you can choose which mockups are going to be displayed in your online store. So you can get the front one. If you scroll down and click add additional mockup styles, you can add all of these in as well, or you can choose which ones you want to leave out. Then you can choose the mockup format, whether it's a JPEG or a PNG. You can see that this one is smaller, so your store will load faster, and the PNG is bulkier, but it has a transparent background. I recommend you just go with JPEG. It doesn't make much of a difference. Once you've chosen your mockups, just click Proceed. At this point, you can add your product title, description, size guides, and so forth. Don't worry, you'll be able to change all this information later in your Shopify store, but you can also do it here right away. Once you've selected everything you want here, click Proceed. And this is the last step of creating your product. This is where you are going to set the retail price and you will be able to see how much profit you're going to make from each sale. Let's say, for example, that I set the price at 19 euros and 95 cents. This means that my profit for every mousepad sold is going to be 11 euros and 88 cents. And I just click Submit to Store. And this is where the magic happens. This gaming mousepad that we've just created has been imported to our store. So let's take a look at it. We just go to Products in our Shopify dashboard, and there it is. This is the product. We can also preview it and see how it's going to look like on the Shopify. So it looks pretty cool, right? It has these images on the left, description on the right. Obviously, you can customize all of these things here. You can add your logo. You can basically change everything you want. But so far, it's looking pretty good. And as you can imagine, Printful offers a lot of different products, and you can add basically anything you want. If you want to sell mugs, you can do that. If you want to sell blankets, you can do that. T-shirts, whatever you want, you just follow this simple process. By the way, a very important note, as you can see right here, the domain of the store right now is something really weird. So if you want to have your own domain, you simply gotta select a plan first, and then once you have that, you will be able to choose and buy your domain somewhere here in the online store. It's going to show up once you choose a plan. So once you buy your domain and once you have the store live, you can then announce your store to your followers. They can go to your store and actually buy your products. All right, so let's assume that you've now launched your store and you're about to announce it to your audience. And you expect that you're going to get some sales from it. What do you actually do once you do get sales? The first thing that you need to do is you need to go in Printful to billing methods, and you need to add your billing method. This way you will be able to actually pay Printful for them to produce that product and send it to your customer. And besides that, everything else is automated because the information that the customer is going to give once he's placing an order on your Shopify store is going to be automatically synchronized with Printful. So Printful is going to know exactly which product to use, which design to use, and where to ship it. All you got to do is just click accept, and they're going to do the rest. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to gently tap that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions about this, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. And on this note, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time.